Hello everyone, my name is Raison and welcome to Auto Spray Paint Learning's car painting course. So guys, to launch this course, it has taken me many years. I'm trying to launch this course for many years now, and finally the day is come where I can finally go ahead and launch this course so that it can reach you guys and benefit you guys. So that you guys can learn how to paint a car and start to do your own paint jobs. So guys, this is going to be an incredible journey because in this course we are going to cover what it takes to acquire a professional looking finish. I have structured this course in a step-by-step manner. Whatever you guys should do first, you will get a video of it first so that you guys can follow it properly and acquire amazing finish. So directly I will move on to the practical things guys, because the theoretical part I have already covered in my basic home study course. Now this is a very long course guys, and in each of the videos guys I have given lots of good information. Now even I don't remember what I have spoken and where I have spoken about what I have spoken. All I know is all of that is very good information that I have told in all my videos. While I'm making the videos guys, when something pops up in my head, I tell that in that video while I'm making the video. That is the reason why guys, don't skip the videos, otherwise you will miss important information. So guys, to paint a car and to paint a bike, the painting process is the same. But guys, the car body is different, the bike body is different. The car surface is more obviously. On the car there is a very big surface. The surface on the bike is very less, you guys know that. You can even paint it with a small compressor. Now while painting the car, you will have to take out many things. And the preparation process guys is slightly different. It's slightly intense. That is why how to take out all these things and how to paint the entire car, that you will have to learn first. Otherwise while applying the paint, you can fall in trouble. Later you will come to know that you missed a part and now you cannot paint that part. So this type of things can happen guys. That is the reason why learn the process first, how to prepare the entire car before you apply the paint, and then go ahead and paint the car. So guys, when you think of painting a car, then there are many questions that pop up in your head. Questions like, do I have the space to paint the car? What type of spray gun I should be using? What type of paint I should be using? How much paint I should be buying? What is the right primer to use? What type of compressor should I buy? Or the compressor which I have, is it suitable to paint the whole car? All these questions and many more questions pop up in your head. What question you have in your head, see that you comment below and let me know. So you will get answer to all those questions in this course guys. On top of that, when you join my community, you can ask any questions regarding auto body and painting there and acquire the answer. Guys, when I was learning auto body and painting, there was no proper knowledge of auto body and painting even on YouTube. So it was very difficult to learn guys. I have to do an intensive research, and once I did that intensive research and after I practiced it a lot, I learned the skill. Nobody taught me practically how to do it. I never went to a painter to learn the process. I've learned the process by watching the videos like this on the internet and taking up international courses. I have made lots of mistakes. I have learned from them, and after practicing a lot guys, finally I started to get a good finish. And when I acquired that professional looking finish, then I went ahead and started creating content for the course. So whatever mistakes I have done guys, you don't have to repeat those mistakes. Learn from my mistakes so that you don't waste your expensive paint, so that you don't waste your expensive clear coat, and so that you don't buy expensive tools and waste your money. Now on a car guys, there are many types of surfaces. What I mean by that is, there is metal surface, there is plastic surface. Now the process of painting the plastics is slightly different from painting a metal body. Because guys, these plastic parts bend. If they bend, then your paint can crack. So you will have to keep in mind many things guys, and that too very minutely. Otherwise, you can mess up your paint job, which you will never want. So all these things I have covered in my course guys. So you don't have to worry at all. So guys, all my course videos I have shot them by myself, and the painting process also I have done by myself. It is not like somebody else is painting and I am taking a video of him. If I did like that, then I wouldn't be able to give you the proper information. Now because I am doing it by myself, if I mess it up somewhere, then I learn how to fix it. And that is how I know how to fix it. Now there are many insider secrets as well that a painter will never share because he have gone through all those things. So the painting process I have done by myself, the video I have shot by myself, and I have also done the editing job. So when a single person does all these things, it takes a lots of time to do it. On top of that, I am putting videos on the YouTube as well, and I have many channels on YouTube as well, and I upload videos on all those channels as well. That is the reason why guys I was not getting time to complete this course videos, but finally guys I somehow managed to complete this course videos. All these years I was sad. I had shot the videos and I had kept, but I could not deliver them to you guys because of the time constraints. I was very sad, but finally guys the course is now completed, and now finally I can bring this course to you guys. Now guys, at first in this course I will show you guys how to dismantle some of the things. Then I will show you guys surface preparation, which is the most important thing. Then I will show you guys how to apply primers, paints and clear coats. And then I will show you guys how to do color sanding and buffing. Then I will take this course to a slightly more advanced level where I will show you guys how to do spot repair. I will show you guys how to do panel blending, how to do spot repair. So all that you will get in the bonus section guys. So this course is very intensive guys. Now I will show you guys the before and after shots of this car. The entire car I have painted in my home garage, which you guys have seen already. So before I go, if you have any questions regarding this course, then you can send me a WhatsApp message and ask me. And if you have any trouble enrolling yourself, then also you can send me a WhatsApp message and ask for a solution. You will get the WhatsApp number on my website page. So that's all in this video guys. But before we go, come on, let's see the final shots of this car.